If a door is able to open too far, it can damage the opposing wall. To prevent this from happening, simply install a hinge pin doorstop. For this quick and easy project, you will need a hinge pin doorstop, either a flathead screwdriver or a small punch, and a hammer. With the door closed, remove the top hinge pin. You can remove this by either gently wedging a flathead screwdriver up into the hinge, or by using a punch from below the hinge and tapping it up with a hammer. Once the pin is removed, take the new hinge pin doorstop and align it to the top of the hinge with the stopper facing the wall. Place the pin back in through the doorstop and first section of the hinge. If it is difficult to slide through, gently tap the top of the hinge pin with a hammer until it's secure. Now you can adjust your hinge stopper to the distance that suits your door. This is done by turning the threaded stopper clockwise or counterclockwise as needed. Please note, for heavier or exterior doors, you should install doorstops on multiple hinges. With the doorstop in place, your wall should be safe from further damage. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.